Hello everyone, welcome to Geeker Mag. In this video, I will show you the easiest way to install Windows 11 25H2 on any unsupported or incompatible old PC. Before that, if you find it useful, like the video and subscribe the channel. Before we begin, make sure you have three things ready. Windows 11 25H2 ISO, you can download it from the Microsoft official website. Check the detailed video on how to do that. Rufus, a free and popular tool used to create bootable USB drives. Head over to this website, scroll down to download section and get the latest option available. And at last, USB flash drive at least 8 GB. This will be used to install Windows. Once you have all these, we are ready to move on. Open Rufus. If USC dialog box appear, click yes to continue. Rufus is a portable app, so it doesn't need installation. Inject the USB flash drive to your laptop. Make sure it doesn't have any data, as it will be deleted during the process. At the top, make sure USB drive is selected. Under boot selection, choose disk or ISO image. Then select and browse to your downloaded Windows 11 25H2 ISO file. Under image option, let it to default standard Windows installation. Next, you need to keep most of the settings default, like partition scheme to GPT, target system to UEFI, file system to NTFS, cluster size, leave it as default. You can rename the volume label if you like, for example Windows 11 25H2. Once everything looks good, click Start. Now this is the most important step. When you click Start, a window will appear with several options. Make sure to check this box, that is, remove requirement for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot and TPM 2.0. This option is important. Apart from this, you can check box for this option if you want to remove requirement for an online Microsoft account during the installation of Windows. You can check this option if you want to create a local account. You can check this option if you want to disable data collection. And you can check this box if you want to disable BitLocker automatic encryption. After selecting your options, click OK. Rufus will warn you that all the data on the USB drive will be deleted. So make sure to back it up before continue. Click OK again and Rufus will start creating your USB bootable drive. The process will take 5 to 10 minutes depending on your USB drive type. Once process is finished, your bootable USB is ready. Now you can use it to perform clean installation of Windows 11 25H2 on any unsupported PC. If you don't know how to perform a clean installation, you can check another video on this channel where I explain the full process step by step. Link is in the description. And that's it. I hope this helps. Let me know in the comments if you managed to install the Windows 11 25H2 on your unsupported PC. Thanks for watching.